Varonis Review. App: the pros, the cons. If your organization deals with sensitive data, the Varonis app promises to protect it, but is it really the cybersecurity solution you need? One of the biggest pros is real-time monitoring. Most people get this wrong by assuming data security apps only scan periodically. Varonis constantly monitors file activity, email systems, and network access, alerting you immediately to suspicious behavior. For example, if an employee suddenly downloads a large number of files outside normal hours, Varonis flagged it instantly. The app also simplifies compliance. Whether it's GDPR, HIPAA or SOX, Varonis helps track access and generate audit reports quickly. This can save organizations countless hours compared to manual reporting. Another advantage is user-friendly dashboards. Admins can visualize threats, track anomalies, and drill down into specific users or systems. This level of transparency helps prevent breaches before they escalate. However, there are cons. Some users note that setting up and configuring alerts can be complex, requiring technical expertise. The app's full functionality may also be limited compared to the desktop version, and smaller businesses might find pricing steep for comprehensive coverage. Additionally, false positives can occasionally cause unnecessary alerts, which may require extra management. In conclusion, Varonis is ideal for organizations serious about protecting sensitive data and maintaining compliance. The surprising truth is that while it provides powerful monitoring and reporting, it demands proper setup and ongoing attention to maximize effectiveness. For anyone prioritizing data security, Varonis offers an advanced, reliable solution that keeps your information safe, but it works best when paired with trained administrators who can interpret and act on alerts.